Hi everyone, this is Vandana Suri from Taxi Break Free, and I have a very special guest today, Ajay Rathi. He is a father whose son I have trained in driving, and that's where the conversation goes. Hi Ajay, so happy to see you here.
Hi, Vandana. It's a real pleasure talking to you again.
So Ajay, I must ask you for the viewers. I got a very surprise with request from Ajay asking me to train his 22-year-old. He's 22, right? Uh,
21, yeah.
21. So I got a request from Ajay to train his 21-year-old son in driving. And while the world is constantly saying women can't drive, here is a man who calls a woman to train his son. And that was really, I mean, I was on cloud nine, and I want to hear it from Ajay. What was he thinking, when he called me for this?
See, it so happened that my son, when he turned 18, he went up for a driving class and then he got his license and all of that. But frankly speaking, after that, I gave him once my car and not convinced. And Mahindra XUV 500 is a little bigger car, and he's like a little short guy, and I was I was not very comfortable giving it to him. Though I took 2 or 3 sessions, what do you call that? Zoom cars or something which you hire for hour or two.
Yes.
I took that, took him to what do you say that Palace Grounds.
Uh-huh.
Palace Grounds में उसको first gear, second gear, third gear, reverse. First gear. I was just trying to teach him, didn't work out, and then he had his exams and all of that, and just went off. Again, he took another 4, 5 catch-up sessions after about 7, 8 months. Same
Mhm.
story. Not convinced. I was like wondering how do I give my car यार तो इसके लिए एक छोटी कार लेनी पड़ेगी इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी तो मैं नहीं दे सकता.
Mhm.
And we stay in apartments where my parking slot is under the lower basement. So
Yeah.
वो घूम के आओ and that small lanes and I was like really shit scared. I was wondering how do I get him get him on road. अब मैं
Uh,
कब तक ड्राइविंग सीट पे बैठूं कभी तो मैं भी पीछे की सीट में बैठने का हक रखता हूँ. Anyways, I was just wondering on that कि how do we go about that, and then I just realized कि I know Vandana Suri who runs a taxi, and I had seen your poster which talks of the train the trainer kind of thing.
yeah.
I was wondering when she can teach a lady, why can't she teach my son? Matlab, unless you have this, I will teach only women types. So that's where I asked my son to get in touch with you. I didn't want to directly call you. कि मैंने कहा अगर एक बार रिजेक्ट हो जाता है तो फिर मैं वंदना को फोन करूंगा वंदना प्लीज ले यार types. So I think he got in touch with your office and then you
Yeah.
accepted it. So that was good for me. And that's how when again I called you up and he said, "भैया मेरा बच्चा है थोड़ा सा ध्यान रख लेना उसका नहीं मेरी गाड़ी का." No, I was more keen on my car, I tell you.
That's that's so
Uh,
sweet. But how did it, everybody says women are not good drivers. Yes, of course you knew Vandana, but somewhere uh, did it uh, did it bother you? Am I
no,
doing the right thing?
not really. I would not agree to that point actually. See, if you see, the best of the chefs in the world are men. The best
Uh-huh.
of the designers are men again.
Yeah.
So now none of the profession is matlab tagged to a gender kind of thing. That's
Nice.
how I feel so. And
Yeah.
I've seen you once. Matlab, of course, I've met you twice or thrice, like almost
Yeah.
4 5 years ago. And I keep uh, reviewing your posts and seeing your posts on Facebook
Yeah.
and other social
Yeah.
media. So that way, matlab, I know you can do it for sure. I can't say about all the women, but there are a lot of women who can do it. In fact, I know matlab, when I was a kid, I know a neighbor auntie, she used to drive a truck. Can you imagine a truck?
Wow.
And not today. This is like 30, 35 years ago, 40 years ago, probably.
Yeah.
And like,
Yeah.
when that auntie can, and when we used to go to picnics and all, she used to beat the fastest driver in our colony. Matlab, my dad was working in a factory and there were like a couple of vehicles and a lot of drivers and stuff like that. So this auntie used to beat at 120 at that time on an ambassador. So
Wow.
it's not that I've not seen women driving, and the best of the drivers I've seen is women only. Having said that, I've seen the other side also, so it's a different issue. But
Yeah.
but I don't believe that driving and women can't go, matlab can't gel well out.
Yeah.
I
So
think it's no more a gender specific profession anyways.
thank you so much for that. All the men out there, listen, here. We are also here now. It's you would believe. I mean, I have trained women, and many a times when they initially start training, I obviously meet their family, and there's been some incidents where the husband looks at me and says, "You're going to train my wife?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'll train your wife." And then like, "You are going to train my wife?" So the whole sentence has, a pun on
Question
everything.
mark.
I'm like, Aja, watch me, watch me. I'm going to do this.
No,
Yeah.
in fact, with you, I was more confident because मेरे पास तो जिगर नहीं है मेरे बेटे को सिखाने का.
Oh,
And a vehicle which does not have a remote control in my hands. Because
yeah,
मैं साइड में बैठा हूँ, I can only verbally instruct him.
yeah.
But tomorrow something goes wrong in the sense like वो थोड़ा fast कर दे, sudden brake लगाए, मेरे हाथ में तो कुछ भी नहीं है. It's not a regular driving vehicle where so the
Yeah,
instructor has brakes, has clutch and
yeah.
whatever. मतलब, yeah, other than escalator, he has almost everything to control with.
But
So I
don't you think that is actually the problem with the driving schools per se? I mean, the fact that he has everything in control, तो वो सीखेगा कैसे? I mean,
yeah, I think that's a big drawback. Maybe I would say वो जो 10 या 15 days के sessions होते हैं, उसमें maybe a day or two is where you should have that kind of vehicle probably.
yeah,
But after that, the vehicle should move on to have the entire the control with the driver,
yeah,
not the trainer.
yeah.
खैर उनके पास वंदना सूरी नहीं है, वो जिगर वाली लड़की नहीं है, लेडी नहीं है, जो जो इतना बड़ा जिगर रखती है कि फर्स्ट टाइमर को लाइव कार में विदाउट एनी कंट्रोल चलाना या चलवाना एंड बाजू में अपनी जान रिस्क करना. आई कैन डू इट नीदा. Definitely not my cup of tea.
So just as a curiosity, what was your son talking when he would come back home? What was he telling you about his experience? I've not even brought him on the interview, but because I want to hear from a father's point of view what was going on there.
No, good. I was first day I was a little worried, not worried actually. I was more worried on the parking part of it. Two layers down, ana, 2 floors niche ana, and that the small curve, and I was only worried on that. But of course, I knew it was Vandana, so worst came, she will get down and then she will come to the car. But the best part that he told me was she didn't come only. Matlab, she said, no, you have to manage. I'm like, oh, cool, very nice. I was like super excited on day one कि जिस दिन वो बोला ना कि वंदना आंटी तो आई नहीं इस तरफ, and she asked me only to do it, and she helped. मतलब I understand you helped only for the reverse parking,
Yeah,
वो
yeah,
दो pillars के बीच में you got down and you kind
yeah,
of instructed
yeah,
him.
yeah.
So I was like, wanting to learn in terms of how and what kind of instructions you've given. And then he had written a small, not a small, a long paragraph in terms of first day उसने क्या क्या सीखा and all. And that's how I got to know what is RPM. नहीं तो आज तक मैं 30 साल हो गए चलाते हुए, मेरे को आज तक नहीं मालूम वो RPM होता क्या है and what is that speed. I didn't know what was RPM. Now I know it is rotations per minute. Thanks to Vandana, जो मेरे को free में मिल गया वो lesson.
Yeah, in fact, most of the times when we are training, I think that's the most discussed thing in the home where people go and tell their families, what's RPM? Do you even know what's RPM? And the poor person on the other side is like, stumped, ki, what are they talking about? I never used this thing. Yeah.
नहीं, मेरे को 30 साल हो गए, मेरे को आज तक नहीं मालूम था व्हाट इज आरपीएम. इनफैक्ट मैंने कई लोगों से पूछा भी. Same, none of us knew probably.
That's so cute. So, for the viewers, I must tell you that Ajay's parking, I call it the gufa, because it's like a cave. It's the most tightest possible space, and especially for an SUV kind of I don't know what is going to scratch. Okay, even the rounds itself are pretty difficult. Okay, And that's why I call it the Gufa. So it's all about conquering, the lion conquering the Gufa is what we talk about over here. Uh, how is and he's been driving in Malleshwaram, uh, which is a nightmare in its own self. If I think if anybody drives through Malleshwaram, they've just done it. Oh yeah, you have achieved nirvana if you have been able to cross that. How's your experience now? Has he been after my training, you sat with him and you continued your practice sessions with him. How was your reaction then?
Oh no, it was quite cool. Matlab, I really didn't have to worry so much. Of course, the first 2 days वो गंदी आदत है ना. I'm an auditor, I'm a chartered accountant, so unwantedly nose poke करने की आदत तो है ही है. कहीं कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसमें तो. So I did. Day one तो I gave him a lot of instructions. मतलब then I realized what am I doing? मतलब day two I stopped giving instructions. Because worst case I'll say नहीं अब left ले ले right ले ले types. But otherwise day one I was giving a lot of instructions which was actually not called for. Then I realized फिर second day से तो मैंने बंद कर दिया उसको instructions देना. Yeah, the first Sunday after you gave him the training and we had some 3-4 days of morning experience of getting up at 6:37 and going for a drive for a half an hour, 45 minutes. Yeah. The first Sunday we went out for a long drive, just Rishabh and me talking of everything in the world. And we were just like kind of friends talking of his girlfriends and smoke and fag and booze and all of it. Like just talking, not doing anything beyond. Just good fun, just 3 breaks. We took some really nice pics. There were some flower gardens and क्या मैरीगोल्ड के फील्ड्स थे, कुछ सनफ्लावर के फील्ड्स थे. We stopped by there, we took some pictures, had nice breakfast in the morning, and a real chilled out drive, just my son and me.
It's such a bonding time to be doing this with your son. Like this is like grown up conversations, like no longer baby stuff.
Yes. It's really nice. Huh?
It's so lovely. I feel so nice, to hear these. I get your messages every now and then. I get Rishabh's messages every now and then. This still both of you keep in touch with us, and it's so overwhelming for me. It's so lovely for me to hear back that times have changed. My conversations with him in the entire training was all about proving himself to his dad. Okay, for him, learning driving was not so much about learning driving. Learning driving was about telling dad, "Hey, listen, I can do it." And the kind of वो बोलते हैं ना श्रवण बच्चा, वो बोलता है कि I want to drive my dad around. Then I was like, oh my God, thank God, kids are still kids.
No, we've been for almost a year. He's been asking me, "Papa, let me drive. Let me." I've been finding some excuse or the other. I didn't want to tell him because I'm not confident giving it to you. Frankly speaking, I'm just telling it to you for the first time here or on your record. For a year plus, he's been asking me, and I've been giving all kinds of excuses. नहीं बेटा अभी तेरे एग्जाम चल रहे हैं, you focus studies and 12th है, ये graduation है, CA foundation है, CA intermediate, what all excuses in the world I've given him in the last 1 year. And I've been breaking my head as to how do I get him to learn and be confident. Seriously, I had a second thought of buying a second car, a second small car for him. मेरे XUV पे कुछ मत कर. I love my XUV more than anything, I tell you. But thanks to you. In fact, I know why I was more confident with you was, or a women driver, let me put it that way, not just Vandana. Because what happens is women are very meticulous, that's what I have learned or I've seen. They go by rules. They go by, what do I say, norms, what are the best practices to be done when you're on road, because you're risking your own life and somebody else's life and damage to property or whatever. So that's where, women would be better trainers, I would say. You follow these steps. So much distance rakna hai. If this is the lane, you have to be on the left side or right side, or when you cross lanes. Men are, I would not, I would say men are more shortcut driven.
Yeah.
तो ठीक है एडजस्ट कर ले चलेगा दिख रहा है ना जगह ले ले मतलब while women would still want to even if they have to switch lanes they would you know look here there and then take a call and then do it. Men would be like you know ठीक है मिल रही है जगह घुसा दे मतलब दे आर स्टिल इन दैट मोड कि बॉस आप बाइक चला रहे हो कार नहीं चला रहे हो जगह मिली है घुसा दो अंदर टाइप्स यू नो.
Yeah.
So that's
No,
how men are, and that's where I was more comfortable with you being a trainer because you will teach him exactly the way it should be. Matlab, while what he does after getting practiced and after his hands on it, that's a different issue. But what happens is when you're trained the way it has to be done, it will get registered for a longer period of time.
Yeah.
That's when I was more comfortable giving it to you as such.
In fact, whenever we are training women, the only concern which we found from women coming to us is that I don't want to hit anybody. So their entire as a student, as a learner, their entire focus has been K. I should not hit anybody. I should not damage anybody. Like you rightfully said, that's the first thing that's running on their mind. Even as a trainee, you got it right. Absolutely. Yeah. So yeah, it's all about the basics getting learned properly, strongly, and उसके बाद तो then अपना हर एक का अपना style होता है सीखने का, you know. Thank you so much, Ajay, for your time. I just wanted to bring out to the world कि hello, women are good drivers, women are good trainers, and here's a man certifying this. Okay, so then this is not about women's liberation. You're good, man. It's like okay, accept it.